Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to check this XRP airdrop. This is Evernode and the 1st of September is the snapshot. So we need to prepare already to that airdrop and we are going to cover everything about that in my video. A little bit about what Evernode is and then the information about this airdrop so you know everything that you need to do. And then we are going to see exactly how you do that, step by step on how you can get the participation to this airdrop. This is a very interesting and important project for the XRP community and ecosystem, so you may participate just buying a couple of XRPs into this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well the project is called Evernode. This is an XRP airdrop because it's going to be a gift to the XRP holders. This is a seriously smart contract on the XRPL platform. Evernode is a layer 2 network that aims to bring smart contracts via hooks to XRP ledger. This project will use a sidechain, so you will be able to burn your XRP and mint your new token in the sidechain. And this is different than bridge because this is going to do that the XRP circulating supply will be less over time. And if you are an XRP holder, that is actually amazing. They plan to launch between October and December of this year, so this is really around the corner. Regarding airdrop information, they will be airdropping 5.1 million Evers token on XRP holders. You will need to hold your XRP directly on chain, not through an exchange, because you will have to clone your account on the Hook side chain to claim any airdrop. So having your tokens, your XRP tokens in an exchange is not going to be a good idea if you want to participate because you're not going to get any airdrop. They have an anti-white system for this, so airdrop entitlements will be based on XRP balances up to 50,000 tokens. If you hold more than 50,000 XRP, you will need to hold it in separate accounts to benefit from the excess balances. So this means if you get more of that amount of tokens, you are not going to be participating of the airdrop. So be sure to split your balance in different accounts. That way you can participate. And the XRPL snapshot date is the 1st of September. This is at 6 p.m. AEST. So right now there's not much information on the website. There are a couple of things about the progress on the roadmap. You can see here the launch, like I say, and a little bit of information about the airdrop 2 here. I already covered these points. Then the most important information, you're going to find it in the Evernode Twitter account. This is 20,000 followers. If you want to know more about this project, you can just go to the Twitter account. And of course, they have a Discord. Not many people in the Discord yet, but it's going to be growing, of course, as soon as we get closer to the date. So how to exactly participate on this airdrop? Well, this is different like was the Flare airdrop, for example, and was different also like the Coreum airdrop of Ripple XRP that we already covered in January of this year. We got those Coreum tokens by being a solo or XRP holder, so I have been covering airdrops of Ripple ecosystem from a while already. This particular airdrop is different. You don't need this trust line with the XRPL, so it's easy to have it. In that sense, you are going to be able to participate also with your Ledger Nano X, for example. So let's go to the step by step. The step 1 is follow them on Twitter. Why is that? It's not a particular point that you need for the airdrop, but you are going to get all the new information of this airdrop from the Twitter account probably. The second point is that they have a Discord, not many people there, around 1,000, but here you have the official tweet where you can get the Discord link. So go to this tweet and you are going to see the link for the Discord. Step 3 is that you need to move your XRP to any self-custody wallet. This basically means that it's not going to be counting any exchange where you have your XRP. So if you already have your funds, you're going to need to move them. If you want to participate without having XRP, you will need to buy them and then move into one of these options. The most common options that I'm going to tell you here are the step 4, which is you can have it in your XUMM wallet. And here I put 3 videos where you can see how to do this, so I don't get this video too long. So the first video is another YouTuber where you can see how to create your XUMM wallet. This is a self-custody wallet that is going to count if you have your tokens, your XRP tokens there. Then there's a video on how you can buy XRP in XUMM if you want, or if you can send to another wallet into XUMM. So checking these 3 videos, you are going to be able to get your XUMM wallet, and then it's very easy, just hold your XRP there. The point 5, guys, is that you also can have your XRP in your Ledger hardware wallet. So here is the link to the Ledger. That is, for example, the position that I have. I have a lot of my XRP in a Ledger wallet, but I have more than 50,000 tokens. So if I leave all there, I'm not going to participate. So I will need to move my XRP into another XUMM wallet or another Ledger wallet in order to be below the 50,000 tokens. But if you have Ledger, you can move your XRP into the Ledger and you are going to be counted for this airdrop. So these are the 2 options that I recommend you, but that doesn't mean that you can have another self-custody wallet where you can get your XRP. You are going to be fine. In any case, if you have any doubts, you can go to the Evernode community Discord, go to host general community, ask your questions. People there is chatting a lot about the airdrop, so you are going to have very valid answers to your questions. So point 6, just to refresh this, get your tokens before the 1st of September. Don't wait until the last time. If you're just holding your XRP, do it now. Do it before the 31 of August so you don't get any confusion because of the time zones. And keep an eye on the Twitter and the Discord for the next steps after that date. And the point 7 is that if you want to know more about Evernode and the airdrop, there's a video from Crypto Eri. This is 1-hour video from Chris Dangerfield where Crypto Eri asks a lot of questions about the project and about the airdrop. So this is a very great video. Check that link, and if you are an XRP holder and you don't follow Crypto Eri, you should be doing it because she makes amazing reviews about many projects on the XRP ecosystem and the progress of the Ripple company. So guys, those are all the points for this Evernode airdrop from the XRP Airdrop holders. And if you want to do more airdrops, go to my cryptocurrencystate.net/videos website. Here you will find all my videos about different airdrops, from Layer 0, starknet and Zksync to many other airdrops that are not so in the radar of the airdrop hunters, so you could have very big chances to get a big airdrop here. I mainly cover airdrops on my YouTube channel, and because of that I created my subscriptions. This is a private Discord, we are around 300 people there, where we manage high level of information about different new airdrops on the BRC20 ecosystem, meme coins that are about to explode, crypto portfolios and crypto strategies in general for the next bull run, and much more. And if you want to make another step on your crypto airdrop path, then I have my application. This is an app that I created to apply easily to airdrops and also to organize your airdrops. Because if you start doing this with one wallet, even with 20 airdrops, you are going to be losing track of what you did, what you missed, and what you need to continue doing for these airdrops. And if you are farming airdrops, you will be able to use my app in multiple wallets to keep track of everything and applying easily to those airdrops. Guys, that is all for this video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me in Twitter at CryptoState, where I cover live actions that I do about airdrops. So if you want to know exactly what I am doing, go to CryptoState on Twitter and follow me there. This is the XRP Airdrop holder, Evernode, the new project, snapshot 1st of September. So don't miss that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.